how to refabulize old items and yard sale finds. First, you do a little paint touch up, find some things that look cute. If you're like me, you'll wind up changing up those things. And then remember, one man's junk is a crafter's essential. The little glass ball there is from the top of a broken jar lid. I made a nest out of twine, added a few flowers, some moss pieces. Then I decided to wrap it in flowers, and I believe I'll add a cedar post or some grapevine to hang it from. And voila, beautiful. So I figured I would try to rehab some old items I have. This is just one of those fake little plants you get at Walmart for about $1. It got dropped one too many times and busted. We're going to take it and quote unquote plant it into a little teacup planter. The teacup is broke and has been super glued, so it's, not really worth a lot, but it'll kind of add to the old antique effect of it. So we can reuse the stuffing. We can throw it all in here, press it down into little chunks, and then hot glue it, or we can cut some foam paper to the size of the cup and insert it in there and then shove the flower down through it to give us a green base. Or I've decided to go with, I've got this little ball of fabric and cotton. It's just kind of put together there on the back. And I am going to put a hole here in the top, and we're going to insert it down. We're going to hot glue it in like this, and we'll put a hole in it, put it down through here. And so here's what our little fake succulent looks like, replanted in the teapot. You can see the green material underneath there. As I said, I put a little hole in the top of the material and then stuck the flower down in it. I did put some hot glue around it to seal it. It's the back. And yes, we even repurposed the original container.